What's going on, everybody? And welcome back to another episode of Tommy the Bartender. And today we got a nice good old Christmas themed drink going on here. And I hope you guys are looking forward to this video as much as I am. And this video is currently going to be put up on the 23rd, so that gives you 48 hours to get all the ingredients and make the drink for when you go to your Christmas Eve or Christmas Day parties. So let's see what we're working with here. So to start you're going to need some sort of punch bowl. You're going to need some measuring utensils, a wooden spoon, some pineapple juice, some limes. You're also going to need some red sugar, water, which is a total of 4 cups of water. You're going to need 4 cups of ice, lemon lime soda, and you're also going to be needing ginger ale. And the alcohol that we're using today is Tito's vodka, and then you're going to be needing a martini glass. And last but not least, you're going to be needing some lemon lime Kool-Aid mix. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pour your water in, your 4 cups of water. And then you're going to want to put your 1 pack of the lemon lime Kool-Aid. And then you want to put your 1 pack of lemon lime Kool-Aid. Look how green it is. Okay. So the next thing you're going to want to put in is 3 cups of lemon lime soda. Okay. So now when you got your 3 cups of your lemon lime soda, you're going to want to pour that in. And then the next thing you're going to want is 2 cups of pineapple juice. Now that we got our 2 cups of pineapple juice, you're going to want to pour that in. Give it a nice little stir. Last but not least, we're going to be needing 1 cup of ginger ale. Alright, so now our drink is made. So then now we got to put in the ice. Okay, so now you're going to want to give this a nice stir. Okay, so now that we got our ice and everything in there, everything's nice shaking, nice stir. The next and last thing we're going to need is, of course, our alcohol. And today we have Tito's vodka, so we need 2 cups of vodka. Okay, so now that we got our 2 cups of vodka, now we can pour our vodka in, and now our drink is complete. You're going to want to give it one last stir. Make everything get mixed in there all nice and well. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to take your lime, your martini glass, and you're going to lime up the rim of the glass, just like this. And then what you're going to want to do is take your sugar, and you're going to want to flip your glass over and make sure you get the rim of the glass all nice and sugared up. So it's a nice green, red theme, I should say, not green. And then now, you take your server, dump it in. And now let's give it a try. Merry Christmas. Not bad, not bad. It's actually quite good. So, when I was making this during the video, I was a little nervous with the Kool-Aid mix, and it did smell very sugary and very sweet. But I think with watering it down with the pineapple juice, the ginger ale, and the lemon lime soda, I think it evened out, gave a nice balanced taste. It's a very nice balanced taste of everything together. It's very, very good. And the vodka, you can throw the vodka in there. Not if you have more kids at your party, you can always make a batch without the vodka. Or if you want everyone to get drunk, put it all in there, So, before we end this video, I do want to say, please be sure to drink responsibly and never drink and drive. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys have a good Christmas. I hope you guys make this recipe for your families. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, wait. Before that, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing. Alrighty guys, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!